walk along the city streets you used to walk along with me. And every step I take reminds me of just how we used to be. But how can I forget you, girl, when there is always something there to remind me? Always something there to remind me. Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to do something fun. We're going to go back to the early 80s and review a guitar version of a synth pop song called Always Something There to Remind Me by Naked Eyes. Now this song was originally written by Burt Bacharach and another gentleman named Hal Davis. Naked Eyes version peaked at number 8 on the Billboard Hot 100 in the summer of 1983. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes, you'll find my music there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great 80s new wave synth pop song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, before we get to the chords that you're going to need to know for this great song, a couple of quick notes. First of all, the original version by Naked Eyes is really more of a synthesizer pop song from the early 80s, a very common type of new wave song from that era. And it's not really a guitar song. It was requested by a couple of viewers to see if I could create a great acoustic lounge version, and that's just what we've done here. I found a way to make this work with only 5 chords. But if your goal is to play along with the original song, this is not the video for you. Again, it's something that I've put together and arranged myself. Now, in addition, if you do want to play along with me, because of my singing style and the way this song is sung lyrically, I've placed a capo on the 3rd fret. Keep that in mind if you want to play along with me. Let's have a look at these chords. As I mentioned, there are 5 of them. The first one is an A major. There's an E chord. There's a G major. There's a D. And finally, 1 bar chord. It's a B minor bar chord. That's it. Those 5 chords are going to get you all the way through this alternative take on an 80s classic. With that said, let's get to the cover. Walk along the city streets you used to walk along with me. And every step I take reminds me of just how we used to be. But how can I forget you, girl, when there is always something there to remind me? Something there to remind me. Shadows fall, I passed the small cafe where we would dance at night. And I can't help recalling how it felt to kiss and hold you tight. Well, how can I forget you, girl? There is always something there to remind me. Always something there to remind me. I was born to love her, and I will never be free. You'll always be a part of me. Find you miss the sweet and tender love we used to share. Just come back to the places where we used to go, and I'll be there. But how can I forget you, girl? When there is always something there to remind me. Something there to remind me. I was born to love her, and I will never be free. You'll always be a part of me. There is always something there to remind me. Something there to remind me. Always something there to remind me. Always something there to remind me. All right, let's have a look at the chord progression to this great song. We're going to break it down into three parts. We're going to start with a look at the verses. Then we're going to break down the chorus. And then we'll finish things off with a closer look at the bridge. Strangely enough, the bridge appears a couple of times in this song, so many would say it's just part of the chorus. Doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, there are three different parts in this particular song. With that said, let's get to the verses. The song starts on the A major chord. Here we go. I walk along the city streets you used to walk along with me. And every step I take reminds me of just how we used to be. But how can I forget you, girl? And then that jumps into the chorus. Let's have a look at it now. All right, the chorus is very, very easy to play. I only use two chords for my version, the A and the E, and it goes something like this. When there is always something there to remind me. Always something there to remind me. That easy. Let's have a look at this bridge. All right, and finally a look at the bridge that I've arranged for the acoustic lounge version. It starts on the B minor bar chord. Here we go. Well, I was born to love her, and I will never be free. You'll always be a part of me. And there you have it. Naked Eyes, always something there to remind me, an alternative take on the song. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please, I appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.